Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I have a confession. I have the need to shred paper, and lots of it. And this Wolverine 18-sheet, 6-gallon paper shredder has fulfilled all my needs. My favorite features are how powerful and low maintenance, no fuss it is. I have had other paper shredders that just jam easily or don't allow you to put multiple papers at once, but this is truly a plug it in and shred it being whatever you need machine. It's got power. I tested a bunch of different combinations, thicker pages, thinner ones, different links with staples, you know, all that wonderful junk mail you get that you don't want. And you also don't want to just toss them and get identity theft. So this effortlessly shreds 18 pages like it's just one into tiny little things. To get an idea of the size of the shreds, you can fit about 5 shreds deep on 1/4. The CDs and credit cards are safely cut into 3 pieces so that it doesn't hurt your hands. I really like the sleek design as well. I was pleasantly surprised at the size of it. It is about 2 soda cans deep, 2.5 wide, and about 4.5 soda cans tall. And it has wheels so that you can easily move it around to wherever you need it to be. So if you have the need to shred, this Wolverine paper shredder is first rate, and that's my point of view.